Yo, 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 what's up YouTube? It's Royale Daddy back at it tonight, and if you have been missing some of our videos, I've been on a little bit of a vacation, so I'm enjoying myself a bit and also making some modifications to our creation station, so you want to look out for some big things hopefully coming here in the future. Tonight we are having a little bit of G Fuel, got Raging Gummy Fish. We're gonna check that one out. Inspired by Faze Jev. So give it a little bit of a whirl and see what kind of flavors we're looking at. Raging Gummy Fish. I get the gummy bear in there. And then it kind of ends with a little bit of a Swedish fish. So I can see sort of the outrage that you would experience by drinking some of this. Love the G Fuel, sugar-free, a little boost of caffeine, a little boost of B vitamins. And this one is specifically suited towards the C, the B, and the niacin. So it's good stuff. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and satisfy a request from a new subscriber. I want to thank everybody for clicking that button and breaking 150. So we're going to do something special with that soon. But that is TJ Winston asked me to draw a Fortnite regular, something like that. I just sort of looked that up and see what it was, and I thought, oh, there's 8 characters that you could be if you were just playing a standard version of Fortnite. So after looking at them all and sort of reading about them, it's like Hawk and whatever their names are, found one that I'd seen before. And it says to face Fortnite Battle Royale. So we are gonna do Jonesy. Let's go ahead and get into the creation station and check it out. All right, so here we are about to do our Jonesy video. And what we're gonna start with is the unique shape of his face. So it's gonna be kind of like, looks like a rocket. It's kind of blunt on the bottom. Sort of like that, so we're just going to sort of start there, and where it curves in on the left and the right side, we're going to have a little bit of hair sort of coming up, and his blonde hair looks like kind of plunky slabs of clay, and they're just sort of like layered together in clumps to sort of fill the space. So you just kind of make them how you want that style to be. It's just a pretty kind of plain hairstyle, and you know, I guess it's the chunky nature of it what makes it fairly unique. So I'm just going to put a little plunk in there and a couple little plops like this, and we got Jonesy's hair. All right, now the eyebrows are pretty sharp, sort of look a little bit like an anime style. So we'll go something like that. Okay, and he looks like he's kind of been drinking the G Fuel and staying up all night playing. Kind of like a tired focus in his eyes right there. So we're gonna sort of get it like that, and then we're gonna have the big old nose right there, which kind of mimics the shape of his face. We're gonna turn that up a little bit there. Couple of semi-flared nostrils, and a not so happy grin on his face. Little poise right there, a little sharpness in the cheeks. All right, so we're gonna sort of extenuate. It's got like this sort of layered bandana sort of wrapped around thing. It kind of, bless me. Runs around like that. I'm just gonna make it kind of intense, like a big old army bib. And then he's got the cut off sleeves, so we're gonna come around here. Of course, we do have the backpack for all the ammo, which probably very loud, like blow your ears out like Van Gogh. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and put the end of the sleeve there, and some big old muscular arms, something like that. And some sort of like skeleton looking military tattoo on the side. We're just gonna sort of throw that in there with the nostrils and the eye sockets. Something along those lines, and bring it right around in. And that's basically your standard character from Fortnite, good old Jonesy, Jonesy. We'll go ahead and sign this bad boy. So, look for some new things coming your way in the future. It was nice to reach out to you guys. I want to thank again TJ Winston for our awesome suggestion, and our lovely G Fuel Gummy Fish tonight. Y'all have a great night, and we'll see you on the next drawing.